All you do is inspire. Can't get you out of my mind. I'm saying stop playing, girl, you out of line. Couldn't erase these feelings even if I.
What's good, Solid team? It's your girl Solid Top in the building. You already should know. Comes here with another hair review, and as you can see, I am rocking the So Good hair, and this is so good hair. And also, what's a major plus when it comes to wigs for me is that it already came pre-plucked and with the middle part, so I didn't have to worry about a stylist actually, you know, making it for me or anything like that, or me doing it. All I basically had to do was use Got2b glue and do this for my edges and, you know, make sure it's slicked down at the top, you know, like this hair does not shed at all, like literally little to none, for real. So we're gonna do a shedding test, okay, with a little comb. One strand. I know y'all see that, but let's do a bigger comb. And literally none just came out just now. And only one literally came out. So this hair does not shed at all. I'm loving it and it feels so good. I wish I could really like touch it. Like I just keep touching it because it feels so good. Like I'm really loving how this wig feels on my head. And also what's a major plus is that this is a 13x6 lace front, meaning that this hair goes all the way around your head, meaning that you can put your hair in a high ponytail or you can put your hair in a low ponytail. And that is good because if I want this hair on my face, I don't have to worry about, you know, my regular hair, you know, coming out at the back, you feel me? So yeah, that's what I love about this wig as well. And I don't think I mentioned how long this hair is, but this is 22 inches straight hair, Brazilian. And y'all need a shot with them, for real. And I'm not just saying that, like y'all really do need a shot with them. I'm really loving how this wig is. Like it's really full. And the back is so full. And what's really, you know, shocking to me is that this hair came just like this out the box. Like I did not flat iron it at all. Like on God, I'm saying that on God. Like I'm so serious. As you can see, this is inside the wig. It has 3 combs, one to go to each side of your head and one to go in the back of your head, and also 2 clips behind the head to make sure that your wig is secured, because you know you don't want that wig to come off again, okay? And you see the texture of this hair is nice and silky and nice and bouncy as well. So when you move your head, your hair moves with you, and that's the type of hair that we all need. But I really don't have nothing negative to say about this hair, and I'm being completely honest. Like this hair is really good. Like the customer service was everything. The hair came fast. It really came in 4 to 5 days. So this hair, the hair company is awesome. The hair is awesome. Just shop with them. All the information will be in the description box below. Check them out, okay? But yeah, like, comment, subscribe, all that goody stuff you already should know. It's your girl Solid Tati, and we out this piece.
Bitches finna hate, all you do is inspire. Can't get you out of my mind. I'm saying stop playing, girl, you out of line. Couldn't erase these feelings.